Ikusasa lakho sezandleni zakho, kwenzeke
yini into yokuthi ama-artists because kuyazi ukuthi into ayenzayo yinto imali ungaphumi nje within 7 days uyakubeka i-invoice isubmitting. We need to work on that thing because ufike usebenze uraise ama-hopes abantu but bese kufanele izimali sekufanele ukufonela abantu kumele ungayibambile ufuna ukulinda so abantu ngabe ukuthi kuthiwa khona into efana nama-summer awards ezozala i-award engamina mali ukwenza i-production yalanto exceed 2 million kodwa bese kuba zolutho ke-8 million ebese kuthi abantu nama-event okuyibona onke abantu uthole ukuthi ayikho ibalance. So now into efuneka siyenze besithi sizo-regulator i-art sufficiently sithi i-profit kufanele ibe nama-film studios even ngisho ngathiwa-ke it's a triple B, it doesn't matter. But if sazakho ukuthi i-government ine-say because there's a lot of exploitation kulama-producers as well. Kunomuntu ovela kuthini eshakulele uyithatha uyibulele imali akusebenzele 1,500 a day. Now athi umuntu akanamoto esasebenzela ngayo ku-TV akanamali ngoba mabedecide uproduce ukuthi nikezela 5,000 dollars uzoba khona njalo abantu bathi bamthule imali. It's even worse-ke uma ngabe udlala i-character yokuba ukuthi uyimillionaire. Yabona igcina ishaya ngoba kugcina kuthiwa usithaka veyitshele yabona nje akafuna ukuphozela iy'ntombi uzoyiphozela kanjani iy'ntombi uzawube yikweleti ungenayo imali yokurenta endlini la ukhe khona but abantu abazi wena funa ukuphethele ngathi yonke into i-right bese kuba khona ezinye izinto ezisilaphayo-ke ngokomphefumulo nje izinto ey'fana no-comedy and all nazo zonke lezo zinto. So those things ziyasekelela ukuthi siphile against all odds. Abantu bazobasho bathi yazi lento iyasiphilisa size sifone ukuthi siney'nkinga. But ingakho ngisho ukuthi comrades ngeke siqede konke. Ngeke siqede konke manje. But mina I'm looking forward leadership ekutheni after elections sibe nento ezosihlanganisa sonke towards one objective. Ngoba bekulento kade ngiyibuka ukuthi kufike kube negenge edlelane ne-ANC emele bezwa-ke kuthiwa ukuthi usuyi-MK uyasayinayinwa uhambe wokhulunywa kabili kubanjelwe iy'mali zakho. That's what is happening to me, by the way. Ngibanjele imali ngisebenzile ukuze ngibukeke ngabantu because of the game. So it's so painful. The very same people go. Is what you imagine. Kuyibona abantu abafuna ukuzomthetha. Ekubeni besivalela lapha besitela okuqinile ukuthi thina sesingani. Iy'ngcingo zethu bese ingabanjwa. So ngithi angiyikhulume lento ngoba kukhona abantu abayibiza ama-leaders abazokhuluma ngamagama ethu nje. Into ongayi-understand ukuthi wayezocela umsebenzi ngegama lami yini ngasho ukuthi wena competent kangakanani mekhona okufunayo ungangcethezi namagama abantu. So into yokubulela ama-characters comrade i-serious and ngiyafisa ukuthi nabantu abavele ey'nhlanganweni zabo abazoba nentshisekelo yokuzojoyina i-MK ngicela bangafiki nama-foreign tendencies. Ngiyacela and enye into bishop engizoyicela nge-leadership ngizocela ukuthi sibe ne-political induction kumuntu oyimele a-understand i-politics ukuthi yini angakhona ukunento yasenkatheni azoyifaka ku-MK because lento izogcina isenze sibe disjointed kanti lento iqale kahle siyayithanda thina-ke la kakhona suka khona sajoyina ngegazi kwangekho membership kwanye bakhala indabeni membership yila uthumbu waqala khona cause manje sinabantu ababebambe membership kunabantu abenza u-divide and rule asikudingi u-divide and rule la.
Banda but ukhule semncane seyiyuthi kuleke nawo ukuthi uyicile kwazi ukuthola isiphiwo sakhe or ithalente lakhe ukuthi aze akhule afike ezingeni losibanibani bakhona nasebadlula kwethu. Engijolo ukusho engizama ukusho ukuthi siyawuqonda umzabalazo elibhekene nawo nobuhlungu elibhekene nawo. Ziningi kakhulu izinto elibhekene nazo, ezinye siyazazi ezinye asizazi, but umkhondo wesizwe ngizothanda ukuthi nathi abantu abasha sihlala lolu mhlaba esikhundla sakwazulu-Natal sizokwenza ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ezinye zezinto ey'khulunyiwe la akubona nje ukuthi besiza ngoba kuzovotwa usizocela ivoti ukuthi emva kwalapho sihambe nomphela. Kuyomele noma sedlulile isikhathi sokhetho sikwazi ukuthi sibuye siyibheke zonke zezinto, sihlale phansi sisondele kuzona, kulungiswe langalungiswa khona langalungi khona sihlale phansi sisinike amaplani ukuthi ikephi asingalungisa khona.
Ngifuna ukuqinisekisa kwi-leadership yomkhonto ukuthi abekho abantu abathandana njengabaciko, kodwa sibanenkinga yodwa yabantu abaningi abangena phakathi kwethu. Thina njengamaciko siyazwana, ngiyayibona-ke lento isingena la engeke ngisho khona. Abantu abanemali bona bafike be-create i-division kuma-artist. Akwenzi umqondo ukuthi uma nginemali ngifika lapha mhlawumbe lapha ku-YouTube wenza i-project bese ngithi mina ngizofaka 100,000 kodwa uma ungiqashele imali nobani lokhu create division. That is why ama-programs amaningi sibone njalo ukuphithwa abantu abanjani ababodwa sikhatha obani osomabhizinisi. Lokho ngithi angikubeke nje ngicane ukuthi sinayo challenge akawona singama-artist siyimbumba siyazwana uma ungakhona. Ngebathi ngikhala ngathi ngine-event eThekwini lizokuthi iThekwini July. Uyazi ukuthi kukhona ama-artist abe-close to 40 ngeke wakhokhele ukuthi umabizinto zabangani bagcwala bonke. Okusho ukuthini siyazwana ngoba ngeke umuntu ongaphandle ababize befike ku-40 bezophefoma ngayo bazomfuna imali, but siyakwazi ukusapothana if omunye wethu enza ini i-program.
Ngilapho ofisini ka-coordinator we-province coordinator ama-programs. Comrades, ezinye zezinto ezazenza ukuthi uma kuvalwiswe sasatshenziswa nge-patience ethu nokuthi thina sikwazi kangakanani ukuthi simyekelele umuntu nje asixhaphaze ngoba bebesalungiselela ngoba basebazi ukuthi banenhloso yokuthi i-colonization ihambe igebeleti. So wayesekhona i-program yokuthi bayazi khona umuntu ufuna ukuvusa abantu abamnyama bale njengo-president ngoba besasilungiselela nokuthi si-understand ukuthi singaba-divided. I-division uyibona kanjenani uma ngabe kunemishado Congress, siyazi ukuthi siyahambelana thina singabantu singama-Africans siyathandana siyahambelana masinamandla sisiphathelana ngisho neyiphela ziyekele iy'pheko zanamhlanje uma ngabe simemana sesikwazi ukubhala ukuthi sinikeza namakhodi ukuthi uma uzotrade umama fanele uqale i-over yethu uthi akunawo apetrol kodwa usungumhloma katheni fanele uphathe kuwo kahle kahle iy'pheko bekuphatha ngisho amadumbe lokho nalekhaya ukuthi uyabhekisa ngoba inhloso yinye yokuthi sizama ukuthi sikhombise uthando. Basihlukanisa-ke Congress bathi uma sekuleyo mcimbi sihambelana baqale bayivala bathi asinhlobo base beyahamba bagalawela bathi okungenani singawo-50 okusho ukuthi lapha ufuna ukushadelwa sekufanele kube khona lekhaya inzondo ezobakheka ukuthi ngesikhathi eshadelwa kwahanjelwa kwesibanibani ngoba amakoti fanele babo-25 amphoyena babo-25 ubani uhambayo mina ekhaya nje sizodwa singahamini sibheke lapho 40 singahamini nje. So already yabona sinama-divisions abafuna ukuthi efaka nokuqhekeka ukuze basuke mafika isikhathi singabiwe nje bathi besuke emva lokho bathi singayi emasontweni ukuze sohlanganyela ndawonye siyazi ukuthi uma ngabe uNkulunkulu esefikile wahambela kuwena uyakwazi ukuba yikholo nje ukholwe uwedwana kodwa into esihlanganisa ndawonye ngaphansi kophahla olufuze lolu ukuthi suke sesifuna ukuyodumisa sikwazi ukuthi khona enye indlela nomunye umuntu ufike kuyena mangifika kwabapholoka hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe kodwa ngamazwi akhe nesiphiwo sakhe uyakwazi ukungena so leyo nto yayicishizwe ngizokhumbula ukuthi ngo-2020 ngo-2020 valiwe khona isonto lamazayoni asekhona amavidiyo ney'thombe kwakusonta kwanogogo bethu iphoyisa bafaka unyawo wey'toni bakhipha. It was very painful kodwa sezwa kuthiwa kwela basumane ngapha ePhoenix bazamile ukusondela ngakhona kodwa bafikanga babashaya babacela ukuthi ayisebala kufanele ukusonda ayisitela nihambeni base beyahamba ngakusasa kodwa umnumzane uBhekithele issued a statement apologizing to ama-Muslim but namhlanje abakaze baxolise kuthina ukuthi kwathuthu utshwala besizulu ukwenza nenyama zikhona eshisela impela inhloso yalo ukuthi badlula amadlozi ngoba bengasifundi thina siqondile noma sikwazi ukuthi sithanda sibumbane kuba ukuthi mesesukuma anothi kulokhu nawo amacala umhlaba sithatha usilekelela kulokhu futhi uzobezwa ngoba uzokwenza umuntu ukuthi akusho lokhu iqhamuka iview ngaba naye mhlawumbe eseshelwa ile view ngabo ukuthi ayimina bengekho right so besikuwa konke lokho bese sizama ukubona ukuthi lokho esesithathela kunene ngeke kwasiyisa phambili kokuthi but mfisa unazi ukuthi ayikho mhlawumbe ukuhlakana thina kwethu ukuhlakana kufanele sibe nako nje ukukhuluma nako konke yilokho ukuthi simboleke indlela bese siyosho lokho esithumeni yingakho uPresident Zuma ehlala esho ukuthi in order for us all Congress ukuthi sibe successful we need to always remember amazwi amathathu: focus, commitment and discipline. Nani mangenayo leyo ngeke nikwazi ukuthi nifinyelele la yakho.
Manja qina artist qina tibo qina manja manje ukuthi isikhathi comrades umuntu akathatha ithuba bingenele ubuholi bo-MK khona phakathi kwethu namhlanje okukhethekile bokubongose i-leadership yonke gabenge kwethu siyabingelela ubuholi be-MK Creatives nama-organizations wokana akhona la phakathi kwethu igama usolebelo zinyatha abaningi bakazi no-SOPS unobhala wamaciko kodwa-ke namhlanje ngihambi ngedwa ubuholi bethu ngihamba nama-associations ahlukahlukene ngoba sazi ukuthi umkhakha wethu lo esibona ohlukahlukene ngey'ndlela ey'ningi kukhona-ke lapha abantu bethu ubumbano Traders Alliance abahwebi futhi-ke abasimele kwi-sector yama-design kakhulu esibabona lapha ko-Medcell sibabona eBhishi sibabona ebo-Limit Station enzala imisebenzi yezandla ibonke laba abahleli ngalapha lapha abantu bethu ngiyajabula futhi bangibona umfowethu Andile wakabuwa ekuwuyena oshuthayo lapha which is umele the visual art sector lapha abantu bethu comedy sector emelwe abafowethu oSiphiwe Mashembe ofly motion abafuthi bakhona la we have actors we have abaculi abahlukahlukene we all appreciate you bafowethu but ngiyafisa ukuthi sibarecognize bonke ngokulingana kwabo abantu kudla isikhathi bafowethu ngicela ukuthi mhlawumbe kafishane nje ongazi ngithaze ukuthi kahle kahle mina njengoba ngiyobhala ngiphuma kuphi kahle kahle la ngibikhona njengonobhala we-SIPSA Cultural and Creative Industries Federation of South Africa ekuyinhlangano-ke emele amaciko wonkana eSouth Africa yonke ngoba sinama-structures kusukela ngenhla national to provinces ayikho i-provinces ngekho kuyona and to ama-districts as well so uSIPSA bafowethu kumele izinto engithi mhlawumbe ezimqoka zibe-4. Number 1, uSIPSA kumele lento abafuthi baqeda kuyikhuluma la ngaphambili ekuthiwa uku-organizer nokuyi-formalizer nokuyi-unifya i-industry yethu. Ngaphandle kwalokho-ke bafowethu akekho umuntu ozozwa isikhalo sethu ngoba abafowethu ngisho bangangena kuhulumeni baphathe kangakanani thina sisodwa sisakhuluma ngamazwi ahlukahlukene ngeke bazi ukuthi beze bani. As a result bayoku-implimenta into abayikhele emqondweni yabo hhayi into efunwa yithina. So kufanele sigadeke lokho nathi sikwazi ukuthi aso sonke isikhathi sihleli si-united uma sithatha iy'nqumo
si-united sibonakalise sikhombise ukuba organized. Number 2, it is the distribution of amathuba emisebenzi. Esikhathini esiningi ke sibonile ngaphambilini kusebenze abantu abodwa amathuba emisebenzi evulekile. Lokho sekukhala kakhulu ngoba uthi abanye amaciko ekhona nawo angabathola amathuba okusebenza nokuyiphilisa nokubeka isiko etafuleni. Lokho ke asipromote ngayo indlela. Siya-understand ukuthi amaciko abaningana ngoba namhlanje ukhona i-artist edume ukudlula abanye. Kodwa-ke siyakukhuthaza ukuthi noma ukhona phela ama-artist amakhulu ukudlula abanye but we prioritize ukuthi amaciko wonke awuthole ithuba lokuparticipate emnothweni wezwe. Kungako-ke namhlanje siney'nhlangano ey'fana neMbumba Creatives emele ama-artist asakhula asafufusa ngithi emele ama-emerging artists ekwamele to make sure ukuthi nawo ayabenefitha futhi ayaparticipate as part of i-economy yethu. Number 3, we are there to lobby a partnership between the private and the public sector. Uhulumeni wethu sihlezi sincenge ukuthi uhulumeni wethu kuyoba kuhle ukuthi njalo uma uzothatha iy'nqumo ngodaba oluthina singamaciko ungayithatheli iy'nqumo ungakhonsathanga kuthina ngoba bavele bathathe iy'nqumo bese siyayiphilisa kube ngathi mhlawumbe sinenkani kanti cha asihambisane ney'nqumo bona njengobuholi abasuke beyithathile. Siyakukhuthaza-ke nalowo ubuholi buka-MK ngoba ngiyeza ukuthi ukhulumeka positive into ethi kubalulekile ukuthi basikhonsalte basi-engage ngaso sonke isikhathi. Uma kuthathwa iy'nqumo ezithi azihlanganise thina beze kuthina so that sizoba-direct ukuthi nakhu la esiney'nkinga khona nakhu la esinama-challenge khona. Eyokugcina-ke bafowethu it is to protect amaciko wethu from exploitation. Amaciko nje ngiyazi mangasethumula kakhulu akasukela kakhulu imali ayikweletwayo uhulumeni kubasukunqwaba yamaciko la abayikwetwa uhulumeni lo-event organizer lokuhlangana nomaphethela imali ekweletwa amaciko esebenza exploitika kabuhlungu. Lokho ikhompyutha sihambisani nabo futhi siyakulwela ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi amaciko it is a priority ukuthi amaciko awakhokeleke futhi akhokeleke ngesikhathi. Namhlanje-ke sila bafowethu with a common interest yokureza ama-challenges wethu sonke ngokwehlukahlukana kwethu kwimikhathi sikuyona. Sireza futhi lama-challenges hhayi ngokwesaba kodwa ngokukhululeka. Singesabi uma sireza lama-challenges efanele siwareza. Namhlanje silapha bafowethu kungenxa yokuthi uhulumeni wethu osiphethe for the past 3 years asiyilutho. Instead nyaka nonyaka kulokuthiwe creative industry budget cut imali yethu isuka lapho amaciko iyongena kwezinye iy'nhlanga ze-economy thina sisale singenalutho. Leyo inkinga enkulu kakhulu-ke bafowethu. Ngiyafisa ukuthi uhulumeni wethu ngathi ukukhuthala kakhulu ukubuyisa isithunzi samaciko ney'mali ezi-allocated-elwe amaciko ukuthi amaciko azokwazi ukuphila ngoba kumanje silimele. Baholi nani maciko ngaphandle kokuthi isikhathi ngithanda ukuthi there should be nothing about us without us. Lokho futhi kuyokwenziwa ukuthi thina sibe united sibambane ngaso sonke isikhathi singahlangazeki futhi singavumeli ukuhlakazwa womunye umuntu. Singamaciko if ever there's challenges we know the right challenges address ama-challenges ethu. Kukhona ubuholi be-industry the creative sector siyabazi asize ukubona ubuholi be-industry ngaso sonke isikhathi singakhombisi kuma-political party noma kubaholi bethu abasiphethe ukungahleleki kwethu ngokuthi siyoxabana ngaphambi kwabo baze babona thina sisodwa sifunda ukuba discipline sibe organized ngaso sonke isikhathi ngebona.
Ngizoyisho isikhathi asikho bengabe nanothisa I was the first artist ukuyiveza ukuthi uyi-MK and ngine-video over 2 million views okusho ukuthi kunabantu abazi i-MK aba-over 2 million ngangingedwa eSouth Africa. Khona umphathi uGabenda kayishilo indaba Freeway abantu Freeway kwakuyi-initiative yami that was my idea ukuthi angekho umuntu wakwazi that was my idea ukuthi uhambe uze Freeway ngoba ngihlakaniphile vele mina mhlawumbe igama elingalazi kwi-primary school kwakuyona i-MK kuyona i-ANC dala. So ngangivele nginesifiso nami ngelinye ilanga ngiyithatha imithwalo yami ngijoyine uSithemkhumalo ngoyibala. So manje imibuzo wami engubhekisele kunini abaphathi engifisa ukuthi sonke nathi sibe kuye ngawo. La inkinga esinayo number 1, baningi abantu abenza ama-event egameni lomkhonto. Manje leyo nto ilimaza thina ngoba abanye asibazi bawubani. 2, iphinde futhi ihlangabezane phezulu uthole nina aba-official nento ye-official but khona umuntu osevele wakhipha iposta naye ngala wathi asabenze khona. Leyo nto ngicela ukuthi mhlampe isiphakamiso engasiphakamisa kuyona abaphathi asibe ne-ofisi elilodwa elizokwazi ukuthi siqashwa yibona sisebenzela bona bese siyazi ukuthi obani ukuze sazi ukuthi thina sisebenza ne-MK. Ngoba manje ngiya-understand baningi abantu abafuna ukuyiveza uZuma baveze baphathi ukuthi nabo bayakwazi ukuhlanganisa bathi ekugcineni leyo nto sicela sisebenzisa upetrol bethu namandethi ngento engekho sicela umnyango owodwa ozobeka yonke into ethi event ehlangene no-MK so lethi sizokwazi so before kuphume becela ukuthi nanina abaphathi kulento engishilo ukuthi njengoba sifuna umnyango owodwa nakhona lapho kunenkinga eyi-1 and ngiyabona ngathi kiwe laphayana kwi-mandate maningi amaciko akhona la eThekwini angazange afakwe emphelweni but ukuba lamanye ama-mandate amaningi ezinye iy'nhlangano bayabafaka so njengoba bebafaka siyazi ukuthi basifake sona kodwa vele ukuthi banesifiso sokusifaka nathi ukuze sazi ukuthi sisebenzelani bese kube yokuqala ngicela ukuthi sisebenze ama-event amakhulu mphathi hotela singavawula ama-event amancane ngoba nakhona siyabhayisiseka laphaya ngoba sifazi kwenzani lo sesigcina nje sesithi abaningi ukuthi azokukhoniseni uzafika uThemkozuma obamazi so exploiting sakutela ukuthi kube lo bese iphela nomdzinakilele ngisho ukuthi cela senze show ma-corporate ukuthi noma yini esenzayo ikwazi ukuthi phela isihlangabeze ngophetholi ngoba manje nasi sishaya ngento ukuthi hayi i-MK ayinamali manje-ke sisizakala bethiwa kufuneka ukuthi sendoda so sizokwazi ukuyithola imali kaphetholi Sina 5 months, but sesenze into enkulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ikhumbule ukuthi mina lo ngiyabonga kakhulu. Kune-basement podcast engiyisungulile engithanda ukuthi nani baholi ngelinye ilanga before ukukhetha ngingakwazi ukuthi sisebenzise iy'nhlaka njengama-podcast because yonke into manje digital. Abantu abaningi abanayo DStv, abantu basemafonini. So ngicela sisebenzise i-platform yamafoni. I-podcast le isebenza kakhulu-ke lapho ukuze sisheshe sifinyelele. Amanda!
Ngicabanga ukuthi kukhona okuningi sesikufundile ohambeni bethu ne-SIFS. Uzosilekelela ukuthi la sesikhona manje siwalungise kahle lawo mafutha. 1, i-creative sector is broad and inalama-sector ngokuhlukana kwawo. Ngikhuluma nani-leadership. Ukuthi masiyilungisa le angazi-ke manje sohamba kanjani ngoba kune-SIFS manje kune-MK Creative Council. Amanye manje ayaxoxa ima-leaders kodwa kuzobaluleka ukuthi sixoxe ukuze sikhulume ilanguage eyodwa. Lento yokuthi uma sisikhali structure angameleleki kahle ama-sector iyi-problem. I'll tell you why. Iyi-problem because now we need to move from just being artists. We just need to move from just lining up to be in the database of government ukuze sithole ama-tender. It means now we need
to apply ourselves more intellectually. Ngiyenzele example nge-taxi industry ngithi historically eyona industry ekhethwa abantu abamnyama. Ukufocus ingekho ekutheni sijabana ngebhamu value chain ye-taxi industry. Ngabe baningi abantu abasebenza abanemisebenzi khona. Ngabe unama-warehouses, unama-workshop, uyitapha zey'moto, indawo yamathaya, ngabe unama-petrol station, ka-association. Ngabe iy'moto zithengwa u-association, ama-members zithenga u-association. Ngabe kunama-engineers, ngabe kunama-mechanic bey'moto abasebenzayo. Understand? So I'm trying to show you how broad any sector can be if we're paying attention. So I'm speaking from the perspective of the film sector, and I understand that basically ownership rights, sifuna nama means of production. Unfortunately, the film commission has been set now. It's going to be lost into the merger, and we are losing the brand name. SS Investigator for many years is going down the drain. Where was on that film commission? Some people who is feeling up, I'm trying about to by Saturday by far down the drain, and we got lost into an audiovisual department within a major. Tourism. This is always a problem because Jehovah Nishawanje, our opportunities money, with production, we need means of production. We value chain, this is the insurance, number bond, the children farmers, number insurance, we do, numbers underrated, number body, but that is the space. On the services part, loud, young, 7 equipment. For instance, at DOP, or 7 the so equipment lights work and everything. It means there's a lot of money there in the value chain. We're talking post-production facilities. Right now, film scores because there are no film score libraries. La abantu bethi sikwazi ukungena sithole umculo khona sikhokhela ama-copyright. Siyawakhokha ama-copyright sasikhokhela abantu. Bese sikhuluma ngento ebalulekile on the last end of the value chain, which is distribution nakhona kutholakala khona imali. Sonke sifloke in Spotify. Who is Spotify? Who is collecting our revenue? Ungitshela ukuthi la thina sama-artists abekho yena abantu abane-craft yokucreate ama-app esikwazi ukufloka in to collect the revenue khona na. And all that collaboration, sine-role ekumele siyidlale on the childhood development. I-youth yethu ayinawo ama-role model. La sinoNoshaka, ama-Khokoza, sinoBambatha, ama-Manisa. I'm talking about heroes now. That you can create cartoons, you can create cartoons and create toilet. Ama-cartoons where young people in school esibuka abantu ababa-role models wabo ngaba-cartoon anoShaka naboMandela and everything. So all that I'm saying, there are a lot of opportunities there. Umasicala communities move sotela ukuthi isi-allow sama-sectors senza ama-submission sizocreate i-framework yamapolisi axoxa ngendaba ye-transformation in each sector. And all of those submissions should form a program and an agenda. Ungangokuhle-ke futhi sicele kupolisi nge-understand ukuthi asibe nendawo la sibelonga khona sama-sector sike sabizwa umasipala la ethi singathi ama Here we are industrializing. Here we are developing, we are exposing art. Here we are developing our artists economically. So we know which is in the budget. Listen, a creative, I don't know anything about this one, a creative agency, national creative agency, as of a budget, equals to start there. Industrializer. So want to go in, want machinery, want studios, want everything. Now, young, it's for the I'm talking about the direction.
Leadership yama-artist noma MK sisizeni sihlanganiseni.
Hey.
Noma sisakhuluma sithini kodwa qinisekisa ukuhlanganiswa kwama-artist. Ama-artist abazosihlanganela, ama-artist azohlanganiswa. Why? Because ama-artist analengqondo yokufuna ukuphatha. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuphatha, ufuna ukuvulwa. Wonke abantu bafuna ukuvula ukuthi yimina. Ngabe mke akekho yimina. Sonke sithina. Yabo. So manje sesilapha asazi ukuthi singena kuphi. So uma wenza into ukuthi wamthini usifaka into yakhe recognize by MK. I recognize. Mina bengithi akekho nje umuntu onesihlalo nje samzobika yini samfana vele ngibike luba ifuna ukuhlanganisa abantu campaign. Sekwenza ukuthi sekujele bazibakathathu ngaze ngahelisa abakika ngezini. Ngoba mina ngizwani ngixolisa ukusho kanje ngizwani ukuthi yabo ngizwani into zokuthi avele ngathi zona ngivele ngayile yonke abakika because abafela vele bafike bazobuya emehlweni bakhulume lokho bakhulume ama-comment ANC agcwele la kwa-MK. So manje sesineproblem siyanicela sihlanganisele lobu buholo obukhona esokubekile because kulobu buholo obukhona osekubekile. Ejoma ngithintana sifanibani asirecognize into abafayika uma vele wenza ishow sasinayo safika ngiyafika ukuthi problem yi-one angifithi unity kubafowethu mabekhona basuke bezobheka ukuthi into yakho iyaphakama yini khona bezohleba ngawo uzoletha ayiphumelela usho umuntu onayo BMK akasathana. No, this is wrong. Leadership. Into oqala before nje qala kwenza akayiphoqele bonke abantu ebabonana ngathanda bahlozi nibabuyisele eceleni nibakhe ukuze babe inswebu kaMsholozi ibonakala bona.
Crazy. Ngicela ngiqale ngixolisa ukuthi City McDonald's bese kuba isaqala khanya isaqale ngoba azokusiqala ngasikhathi umuntu axolise lapho asiqalanga nothini sekuyoshaya 5 bese ngithi okwesibili lo ngizwa mina ngikala uningi wabo kodwa ngifungiphatha kakuthi nami ngibamsondela kulabo abama-artist ngabe ngibajwayele ebeke ukuthi uma kunemicimbi sibabize angibaboni sazobabiza kuza kombanyana ukuthi kanti ngokwemadoda yomthalala oben oniki baningana nje ophakathi bakebasi sazobabuza ukuthi nakubo khona ngizokwazi ukuthi sibenge nabo kwimali ngoba ngakasiqala. So ngoba khona into engesho uba angisho ukuthi asi-understand ukuthi khona abantu abaqashiwe kodwa sonke sithathe isinqumo sokuphumela ubaba ukuthi sifuna ukuba umkhona ayingeke kube mnandi-ke uma ngabe sekuvuma bese kuhamba laba bebengekho ukushaya bese singababona ngisho ukuthi asibadingi kodwa ngeke kube kuhle njengoba kade kushiwo sishawe ngey'bhamu ngempela futhi ukuthi bese kuhamba sebezovuna kodwa kanibaceleni nisho ukuthi enye into ezokwenza abahlali bey'mpilo zabantu yikona nokucasha kwabo ngoba khona abantu abaningi abakholelwa kubona laba bacashiwe uma ngabe nabo bephumele ubazi bangasibeleki bathi nawe lapho ngenhliziyo babatshele abantu le nto ngomhla ka-29 soyicela kubukeka siyiqedile futhi angazi-ke noma masesiyiqedile bazofika kuyongenani ngemuva noma bazobe sebeyenza sebezifrani ileyo nto engithi angiqale nayo sizoyinukela nabanye mhlawumbe ngiqale ngale ethi mina ngizothi nama-comrades ami-ke vele akekho ofihlayo lapho into ozela kuyacaca ukuthi usesayidini lokuthi kuvuselelizwe uma ngibona abantu abaningi la futhi abantu abamnyama abahluphekayo ukuthi bona abahluphekayo kodwa khona abakahle kule indaba ngakusho ukuthi imajority yabo bona abamnyama ilaba kolunye uhlanga so i-MK is all about that ukuthi singahlonezi thina abantu abamnyama ukuthi silungise okufanele silungise khona oraise i-issue ye-base document othende masiqeda masesiwelile ngiyayithanda leyo article ethi masesiwelile kufuneka sibe nomunye umhlangano sihlale phansi siyikhulume kahle-ke ukuthi sizowuphatha kanjani umshini ngicabanga ukuthi iphuze right unothile okuningi la uzokwenza i-report ayidlulise ukuthi khona izinto eseniy'bhalile nina indlela seniyihambile nabona ukuthi iy'nkinga zikuphi ngiyabona abanye bengaginiwe kodwa ukuthi uyalalela bathethe angisoli ngokuthetha manje ngime kodwa ukubhala ngoba ngikwazi ukubhala ukuthetha lokudinga ngaphike mhlawumbe ama-points 1, 2 but into yokudinga ne-exploitation siyayithola ikhona ngicabanga ukuthi uma ningaqinisa kuyona leyo yokuthi ningakhulumi ngoba nihlangene nathi kanje mhlawumbe nibizana nje ninonke nithi niprepare ukuthi uma sesiphethe siwumkhono sithi singene eniyibeke etafuleni izoba kahle kunokuthi singene bese siyahlangana sithi sisazoyobhala umuntu uphosela leyo challenge ukuthi kuningi okufuneka nikwenze nani ngokushesha ukuze uma singena bese siyalizana ukuthi hayi sasingaqedana nansi idocument esasimthembise yona eniyobe seniyazi noma kuba ngikhohlwa le document okukhulunywa ngayo sonke njengoba sesila siyayi-understanda yini le political induction kuma-members omkhondo ngicabanga ukuthi siyayijabulela nani ma-artists ama-politicians adecide sasalile fanele siqinise nalabo basaqasha sibabize sibabuyise sibabeke la ngoba le nto yokukhulula ama-artist amaciko angithi amaciko ngishika ngale lesizulu ukuze ngisho ngesikolo eyokukhulula amaciko ngeke ibe yi-event izoba yi-process ake ngithathe nje enye into ngihlale ngisho ngithi mina I don't understand ukuthi amaciko ase-KZN anenkinga i-KZN makubala indawo eyivakashelwa kakhulu iyenye indawo eyivakashelwa kakhulu abantu abasuka kwezinye indawo omunye umkhankaso kufanele singene kuwona sonke nani nizobenefitha kuwona ukuthi silungise sithole ukuthi majority bese silungisa le mess elanga solwazi hambuye Kapa uzofika ukubona ukuthi eCape Town ukuthi indawo esondelene nolwandle injani uma uyongena kuma-mall kunamaciko ahlale khona eduze kolwandle mhlawumbe ezinye izinto kufanele sithi namasibheka siyicabange zokuthi long term ngisho ngabe ngingasabhenefithanga ilicikele uwena amaciko amanye azosilandela azobhenefitha kanjani. Ingakho ngithi it's a long term. Kusho ukuthi nalabo abantu abaphethe itheni 2026 mhlawumbe kufanele sibe namakhansela yini azobazi ukuthi azolungisa le mese laphana elekelelana nohulumeni ithe uqonde lapha ngasolwandle lezi ndawo ekhuluma ngazo nayo mawungayithatha uyakha kwamasho uyithatha uyakha eChesterfield ayizukuba as effective as uma ingakhiwa lapha ilawo kuthiwa bolile seduze kolwandle mangaba izona indawo zokujabulisa ngabe iqoqeke kahle umuntu abona ulwandle yonke indlela kunojabula ngayo kodwa it's something ekufuneka understanding siyicabanga ukuthi sizoyenza kanjani. Ingakho ngithi kwi-politics mina nginviting ukuthi wozani kwi-politics ingabe nisakude ngoba azikho izinto ezilunga otherwise njengokunikhalipha. Bese kuthi okunye le unit yobanisho ayibalulekile. Ngike ngahlala ngihlanganisa abanye ondaba kayikhona bexabene into ongayazi ingane ngathi ayasiphumla iyothi ngixabene from province ize yehlela kuyofika phansi ngathi hayi asiphumla ningaswana nibangani mhlawumbe nathi at some stage yothe ngeke nalamulana noma mhlawumbe ngicela ukukomitha ukuthi enye into kuzofanele siliphe kuyona siwumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi simbize nje ngenkani simfake endlini eyodwa ongafuni ukungena ahambe kakhulu angaphinda ngeke sazi ukuthi yona nto izohlanganisa ukuthi niphoqeleke ukuthi nihlale ndawonye then-ke bese niyakhethana-ke nendlela eyobe iyi-fair hhayi le eyamanje ngoba ngiya-understand ukuthi khona sebe-right ababonayo ukuthi uma ningahlangana kunini noma kwabalaleli abazi ukuthi hayi masese-right thina masingahlangana mhlawumbe bewakusobhela ukuthi ikhono lakhe lingcono kunelakhe so sineduty-ke nje siqondwekesizwe ukuthi simbize simfake ndawonye. There is also ukunikeza ngehope uma sikhuluma ngomkhonto wesizwe. Kunesiphakamiso la sakhuluma ngaso sithi njengoba kuthiwa abaholi mabezophela sabela uformula ukuthi izona kanjani kodwa ikhona into ethi ebuholini at all levels abantu ababe represented yokuthi sokhetha sikhethe uma ngabe kukhona induna hayi induna ikhethane kube ne-portion ukuthi hayi nizokhethana ngoba niyakwazi ukuyenza le nto bese kuthiwa akube khona ezorepresent induna abazorepresent ama-artists. I think it's one thing ema-engagement ethu after lokho okufanele nanikufake nithi as amaciko ngiyafisa ukurepresentwa kwi-structure ezi-political at all levels. Yabona kusho ukuthi nizoyingena kahle nini namalunga nibuye nifuna ukuthi amaciko ngoba uma ngabe singayibambanga lapho ngicabanga ukuthi izokhuluma kakhulu. Le yamabuza ahlukile okuthakethana ngayo ngifuna ukungena kuyona kodwa ngifuna ukuthi ngenza ama-comparatives. Khona into esiyishoyo ngoba phela thina sikwapolitiki ngeke sikubalekele ukuthi sikwapolitiki kodwa siney'hlobo zethu ezithi uma ingasayitholanga umsebenzi ey'fana nayo kuzwela nakuthina ngoba uma ngabe yisebenza kuyancipha umthwalo kuthina. So khona into eyishiwo uMaqabane engifisa siyibheke baye bathi labo basifaka ama-politicians bathi why sifuna amalala kuwena sukuyebeza into ngibala nezinto eziwu-3 kodwa izolithinta uma ngabe kune-debate eyenziwayo kuye kuthiwe le nto ekuthiwa i-economic growth ayibanga kuhle ngesikhathi kukhona uncamalala bese nathi singena kuleyo track yokuthi sibheke i-economic growth. Ngenzela-ke manje ukuthi si-ablisane yokuthi indlela e-correct yoku-analyze noma imuphi umholi esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi singangeni kwi-track yokubuka i-economic growth kodwa uma si-agwisha sithi sifisa kubhekwe i-economic development. I-economic development inezinto ey'ntathu. 1, economic growth. 2, socio-economic factors. Bese kuthi isithathu inama-environmental factors. ngiyiveza ngamasithombe ngoba nizoqala nina nibone ukuthi niyalimala njengamanje. Le ama-environmental factors ile ebigcizelela ukuthi akube ney'ndawo zabantu zokuyijabulisa. Baningi mlazi abakwenzile, bakhona nakwamasho azavuleka la ekusuka khona ekuthiwe zokujabula ey'phaswa uhulumeni. Uma ungayibuza ukuthi zingaki iy'ndawo zokujabula ezivulekile uNcamalala engasekho, azikho. Zingaki ezikhona ey'wile uNcamalala engasekho, azikho. So ileyo nto ke ngithi mangena kwi-debate singaze siyothatha ikhava sithi hayi uNcamalala wathesela. uNcamalala wafokhasa kubona konke, economic growth, wafokhasa kuma-socio-economic factors yokuthi iy'bhedlela zibe khona zibe right, iy'kole zibe right, yonke into ezophilisa abantu abakhona. Bese kuthiwa kwesithathu yiqiwe all lezi ezinye iy'ndawo lezi sengikhulume ngazo zakhe. Lokho kwenza ama-artist aney'ndawo ey'ningi la ekwazi ukuthi ahamba ayovela khona. Enye into zosuka abantu ebusweni ungayicabanga ukuthi inkinga ijulile ngaphezu kwalokho. Ama-artist abethi uma idlula kungafani, i-life expectancy yayingconywana kulesiyona njengamanje ngoba abantu babekwazi ukuthi bayigwele ezazindlula kunamanje. So ingabo ngithi asingalingi ukuthi as ama-artist sithi sizohlala economy kuphela, sithi hayi mase sivotile thina sekuyalunga. Kodwa ngicela nje ukugcina ukuphinde ngike ngasho ukuphinda ngisho ngithi we are really committed. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibe omunye wabantu abazohlala balalela lolu daba. Khona-ke lezi nsizwa bengiye ngithi ngiyibize ngiyazi usisi wami ukuthi angashuthelwa kanjani. Into engifisa ukuyisho kuMathile, nani khona ukukhulume ngokuthi abadlala amadrama, abadlala isiginci, abadlala abasithola ispace. Nani sifisa ukuniphoseka inselelo ukuthi anokufunda ukuhlonipha i-audience yini.
Mina, I believe the issues that we have are the issues that affect our artists nationally. Why international is because of each and every one of us who joined EFK. I'll tell about my story. I had a project at SABC 2 called Sister B. You see now. I can't join EFK, but I just Google about okay, no. The doors were closed. When I was supposed to sign for season 3, then the doors were closed. So what I'm trying to say is, we as an artist, we need to stand up for our craft. While standing out for our craft, when we come this side, we need to give them a new way of saying, this is how we want you guys to operate for our artists. Because we are the ones, our artists who are suffering, not them. And I love our position who creative. We need to get a person, a salesman, who we understand that creative. Somewhere, because student majority is Tata. So at the back of our heads, we need to think about the national. Who's this person that we think with nationally will be able to come back as a part, as also Apuza artist with easy to in order for you guys, this is what's going on. I'm a background artist 2024 with TV. They are still paying 150 rand. But we are called 16 hours on a shoot. Is the first person to come in, is the last person to go. Now let's suspect. We talked about the background artist, which is about drums. You will never find them
will never find them in awards. The only thing that they will do is to call the artist Okulayo. We have a call for ourselves. We have a call for Mastari. When you go to Lisa where you submitted your music, why should we fight for them to pay the royalties? And yet, artistic, they submitted documentation, which has the bank accounts. We can hear songs playing on the radio, but why should we do that? I think one other thing that some artists they need to do is to make up follow-ups. You need to comply with each and every sector on the level. My music will keep it. Make sure that your music is registered. Because in a share, and if my sister is a little bit, my music will make it on the radio. So go to that radio station and ask for a print out. They will give you. It will show you how much is your song. If it's another 2 minutes, there's a certain money for 2 minutes that you get. But that kind of information we're not getting anywhere from artists. So we need to bring a representative from each and every sector to come and educate each and every one of us regarding this project before we even write something to national. So that the national is the one isn't just Kalamazo easy. We'll go back again. Where somebody out there will employ Ganwach. Where somebody out there will do 1, 2, 3. Let me make an example about Orlando Stadium. We have Orlando Stadium. All the artists, we let to artists, we relegate the floor. And Zach goes to an artist that's a Malana, that's a KZN, that's a Cape Town, or Renabo. That is why I hope to some artists in that floor. Because of, I couldn't say we artists in Uzeganja who invite over. That's where the problem starts, my friend. There's people that want to be relevant. There's people that want to be known. Giving us any event, then to control it and so on. Let us start this study. I saw that it was important. For us to do a change to this movement, there are exercises of Shire from 27, 28, and 29. Let it be a change for Eli Fema artists. Let it be a change for Uguti. Mabatu a project, but not only kids and people need to apply, but let all the sectors, the scriptures to say, and you feel with see finally joint spec. When was a case apply a joint spec, apply a Cape Town, apply whom have another preferences.
Your music, it's on the Howard College, Bachelor of Arts in Music, the Honors in Music, the teaching, the NPO, the Community Development, and my outreach program. For the for 7 years, I have from this, go back to Tanda, to the Uruan, Kitale, and this high easy what they have to do. In Kenya, is a ulezi indawo lezonto into engiyicelayo nje umphakathi wokulisayo ukuthi sacela bandla uma uqashwa lapha department lama mengicabanga before ngesikhathi i-creative dialogue engiyayo ngilalela nje ukuthi ukhulunywana ngiyayilela ngolalela ngihlezi ngidlulisa lokho ukuthi siyacela ngama-position lapha ko-MEC nalabo basebenza ngaphansi ko-MEC ukuthi nike nithathe phela abantu abayi-understand i-industry nabantu sebebakhona kwi-industry bekwazi uprograme ukuthi ukucula ukuqala nakusudala uqala omncane so ithalente lesikhulele nanokuthi lapha yabebekhona ema-position abenzi uma bekhona nabantu abama-position laphaya, if uma beselecta or benza izinto, at least kuke kube khona umuntu we-creative athi okhona eceleni njengendaba yami. Ngikhuluma njengendaba yokukhokheleka. Asikhokheleki ngendlela eyiyona because kukhamba ku-HOM. Afika ku-HOM ngithi 30,000 plus ngenxa yamagalelo esengibe nawo ku-music nangenxa ye-honorara yabo akathi ngikhaja bayihambekile ukuthi athi sideli nale ihola malini bathi cha angeke simkhokhele lo muntu uyabiza ibiza ngikhulaphi iyiphi i-criteria abayisebenzisile ukuze bafinyele lapho ukuthi siyabiza nanokuthi uma beqasha ama-artist asinayo inkinga phela uma wena udume kakhulu nalaba abanye ama-artist abathatha nento yokuthi uma beqasha ama-artist alokhali njengathi nje bathi silokhali kodwa si-international ngokwaziwa kwethu kumangalelo umculo baqashe abantu la abalokhali abaholela imali encane uthole i-local artist kuthiwa ayithole 5,000 cha izowenza lo 5,000 ifike ekhaya ayithole phela no-15 no-20 lwebethole u-8 no-40 okunye ngicela abantu bama-art center lendaweni sinanama-social ills agcwele endaweni siyakhala ngama-teenage pregnant nangani it's because iy'ngane azikho izinto ezibizi ngazo ezisikhumbuza ngazo sinama-organization njengoba sisho siya-apply asithola ama-funding khona i-industry engiphuma kuyona mina ne-opera singer isikhathi esiningi hlezi ngicula i-national anthem mangidlule endaweni okunye ngicela ukuthi nikulungise ngikubonile angisho ukuthi ngiyayicela kodwa vele benivele ithuba ngicula lokuthi ngicule i-national anthem lapha eGoli umxovu lo kade ecula i-national anthem ufike wacula wayecule ngathi usacula le i-national anthem yakudala and then wasefaka and lokhu kuba ngi-chaos engoba leyo nto uma lethe manje uzocula i-national anthem ucacise ukuthi uzocula le endala nokula le-national anthem eculwayo yakhona ukhona le-industry-ke eyimalagothi yayo yonke imizi engicabanga ukuthi sonke sikhulele kuyona ikhona industry mhlawumbe labo bantu bengase babize bangadwala nabakhona indawo ngicela leyo industry ibhekelele ngoba isivalelekile ziningi izinto abangazenza manje bayasebenza ezikoleni ngomculo kunomculo wamakhwaya okuthiwa i-Estate for Choral bayasebenza manje umuntu uhlala usuku lonke phansi sizoqeda ukugcina kubalulekile ukuthi ngisho kusuka kude emalisbheki kumele imalisbheki so kubalulekile ukuthi labo bantu uma besebenza baholiswa imali encane uthole ukuthi mina ngisafuni ukwenzile lo msebenzi angisafuni uthole ukuthi uhlala usuku lonke from morning up until evening uhola u-3,000 rand department yaka-arts and culture noma yaka-education lo muntu usinejaja lapha umuntu awazi ukuletha umusic awufundele uthi mebuyele ekhaya seqeda ukusebenza ka-districtini mhlawumbe awu-3 or 4 imali yakhe athole mhlawumbe after 3 months or after 6 months uthola imali siyithekisiwe futhi mhlawumbe uthole u-20,000 mhlawumbe imali yakhe yonke ka-20,000 bayayitheksa umsebenzi wakagavumenti kodwa labo bantu bebebengizile so kucela zonke lezo zinto sisibhekelele yabona
mhlawumbe esebeyokuphathisa siyiphathisile siyenzile kakhulu le ayisidingi lesi sikhathi mhlawumbe bengabe siyibambe nje njengoba ama-problem ey'ngaka manje sazophuma sikodwa ngekhathi kwabema-problem mhlawumbe siwulala ngo-12 ekuseni idinga isikhathi ngoba maningi amacela angekho la noma masingasuka manje sabe ngasele kwezinye iy'pothi la ethekuni kamhlangane namaciko esingafika khona amaciko mhlawumbe angaphezulu akho so my point is but siyabonga ngethuba but mina nje ngiba-emotional and ngakhala ngihlela phansi kodwa I believe kuleyo ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi shusula lokwenziwa ngiyi-down namhlanje shuthi bengizongasala ngesikhathi into yamaciko ngiba-emotional because banalenza ngeyiqa sonke ukuthi usebenzele futhi siyawuthanda futhi noma kuthiwa liyaduma noma alidumi sizokuba nababumsholozi but kubuhlungu ukuthi njengamanje izinto esisuke nazo eqembini entala sibhekana nazo siyayibona zenzeka kubuhlungu kusukela uhambe egoli futhi uyashuthela ungashuthela kanjani nabo bakingaka ubani nasi ngishutha kanjani ngingana ngangeke ukushuthela khona because nasazi sokusanje sekule stage izoyenza ngeke umuntu akangase ukuthi I can do this umuntu yasazi sokusanje awukwazi ukushuthela sisama noma ngingaka tama uzokushuthela siyatela managers because masuke sekwenzekile sinenamba yokuhola khona sesidlulela kuma-leaders aphethe ngokuthi mhlawumbe khona ukuthi kuba kuyona ngoba sakwabana namakhona yandlela wayibonela ukuthi ibhali ukuthi ubishop uNobo wathi uyamthinta noma ubamgamela wathi uyamthinta so sesikayile umuntu esiqondene naye sinikwele okusiphethe so sinenkinga nomuntu osiphethe ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi akakwazi ukusiphathela ngendlela ofanele siphathele ngayo siyacela ngiyabongana ingabibikho sisemsebenzini mina eThekwini kunamagruphu engikhona engiwaqambe MKCC but angazi ukuthi ngizothini khona masane makamina mina ngabaqoqwa manje kunalo umuntu wesizwe sombaka ngizothini kunama-artist masashawa mina ngitshela ukuthi ayinyukuze egoli sizobona sesifikile akwazi ukubanje akekho umuntu ongamazi ngiyacula amabhida amayashena ngiyazuza usilosenzo isiphithi lisamela futhi akekho umuntu ongamazi kuthiwa sishutele ushuta kanjani wamshutanga mina onamula so shutele kanjani and siyekile ucula mina ngisemangisi ukuthi ikhonentele sikhona ngoba sizwile ngonovela usuyaphela ngathini ungika ngokushashoti ngayo ngahlala ngathunza ngathuthelele bakusholosi because bakusholosi wakude nasikala o-albert sala zalemba onikos sihlele bakusholosi ile ngokusholosi siyayilanda siyayibanga siyabathela saphinde sasesisentelweni no-ANC phakathi emanani ukuthi sihlele na uyayibona mohlele ukuthi uhlele abantu abantu abayizisa zakho ngabona siyinganzamaziko yethu because ineyithole manje ikhona sagqoka ingubo nje green kuphela ingakayamboda ise-green jini ngintela ngabona ukuthi lakhona lento esengiyini ngathola ama-SMS kwamele ngimuve eThekwini ngihambe kufuna indawo ongena khona kabili before ufike emnyango wami umkhonto siwumele siyawuthanda but siyamaciko siyacela siyamaciko sicela ukuhlonishwa siyamaciko siyacela sicela ukuhlonishwa angasuki la ngihambe ngiyalinganisa mhlawumbe ngihambe nobishop nonkosana nobani bamhlele uma kufika lapha amanathi sisuka ngala eThekwini ngiphakamise ukhonvini wekwakibani no-coordinator nokwakibani nobani athi nobani ababani ebese nalabe ngihamba nabo ngicela besho ukuthi bahamba ne-artist abekho abantu abazosenza saziwe la kusuke sikhona ngoba bona basuke beyohlonishwa into ekhulunywe yibona banjengomfundisi esontweni into ekhulunywe yibona labantu labazothatha serious asingaba u-option B emcimbini esiwugothi ngoba sekhona wena bese kuthiwa ungasibambela nakho umcimbi sibone ungasaqali ubungabanga nancela thuzini uthi bathi nje vuruvuru umcimbi ungaqali mangizokulo kanjani ukuthi manje amaciko noma amakhombe asitholakale sivele silambele lento yeyiteji ngoba vele sawabeka phansi ngoNovemba sizoqala uDisemba la-AK mina njangazi ukuthi ngiphinde ngidinge kade namhlanje mina ngo-5,000 assistant ngiyabeka ngazela njengoba mawungona nje ukuthi iqashwe angashini nje khalaphansi ngikhombise mina wena usizilana mangikhombisa abantu usizilana into esiyitelayo nje sicela ukuthi singenziwa ama-second option life sosikhona sicela nathi ukuthi sihlonishwe sicela ungashuthi siyashuthelwa sicela ukuthi thina siyi-MK lekhaya phula emifunayo ngaphandle singakwazi ukuthi senze ama-artist lawo okuthiwa makulu akhona la emkhonweni yesizwe thina leyo nto leyo singayenza siyithini ukuthi kuphela sibe sibathile ngiyabona.
Right, asimele eNingizimu Afrika kade ke sinengxoxo ebalekile nomkhonto wesizwe ubekuhlelo nje beliqabelenziwe namhlanje entambama la eThekwini bafowethu bephuhlanisa khona amaciko MK Creatives bibizeka amaciko izolalela ukuthi ke athini. So namhlanje siphethe elinye lamaciko azwa eNingizimu Afrika sizwasile ebekhona ku-interview atholile iplatform akhuluma sifuna ukuthi asigoqele nje ukuthi bekwenzakalani ngosuna namhlanje.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. No, yeah, uyawusithe khumali igama.
Mashobani ungawethu wena.
Yes, ngiyabonga. No, into kade sidila nayo namhlanje beku ukuzama ukuthola strategic ways.
Yes.
Okwenza sure ukuthi i-art industry iya-regulateka sufficiently. Yes, kukhona okwenzekile but kunama gaps. So now sesifuna a consolidated approach whereby kungayizukuba khona any sector ezosala ngaphandle. So that is why we said asiwabize wonke ama sectors including ama crafters, all sorts of arts, ama arts genres, ukuthi bonke ababe khona sibe sophahleni olulodwa sikwazi ukuthi siqhamuke nomphako osizable ozokwenza ukuthi i-industry ibe sustainable, ingabi all about ama gigs kuphela. So basically it was that, and we are happy with our outcomes, and we are hoping ukuthi sigijima kakhulu naqala umkhonto uyagwaza.
Mashobane asikhuluma iqiniso, abantu abaningi ba frustrated, they are really frustrated. I-MK singayithemba ukuthi ngempela izowula, they are frustrated.
Look, luckily mina vele into yomkhonto.
And you are one of them.
Yes, into yomkhonto nje isisuka kude nayo. But kunezinto ezingazange zifulfilleke. Zama opportunities are tangible.
Sure.
Sekukuzovala lawo ma gaps mfethu. Ingakho ngithi mina ubuholi obukhona njengamanje obu interim be province buyasinikeza iassurance ukuthi izinto izokwenzeka for better, and we are hopeful of course for the fact ukuthi sibiziwe kwathiwa sibe khona ngoba bafuna ukuzwa so that bezokwazi ukuthi babe ne strategic document esizokwazi ukuthi silethe abantu abanamava aba-understand i-industry, kube yibona abantu abazo-occupy space ukuze bakwazi ukuthi benze into abayaziyo. Uma ngabe ubuka kahle ka-engineering kuthathwa ama-engineers akube yiwona asebenzayo ey'ntweni ey'thinta umthetho kuthathwa abantu bomthetho, but why ka-art kungathathwa ama-artists? Yes, ane-art administration of course azokwazi ukuprophala le nqolo yephambili. So basically it's that.
Mashobane masithola ithuba kwi-podcast socela usivakashele, sizohlela usivakashele sihlale nje phansi sidingidele ngoba siyafisa ukuthi abantu bakithi, because mina into engiyibheke kakhulu, information is not there. Ulwazi asinalo singabantu bakithi, even nale system esicindezele abantu abakayiqondi.
Mfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu, I'm honored. Thank you.
Mashobane siyathokoza Dr. Right, iNingizimu Afrika asingabe sapholisa amaseko asicele athamukele uBaMpungose la kwaZulu Natal, siyakwamukela uBaMpungose. Kade sibona baba usethulela inkulumo enohlonze kakhulu in a polite way emva kokuzwa amaciko frustrated ekhomisa ukucasuka nokunganeliseki nokungagculiseki ngendlela izinto ezenziwa ngayo, kodwa izinto eziningi othe wasathulikheleta uveze ubuhlakani obuningi. Ibibaleke ngani ngempela lento kade singayo namhlanje?
Ngibonge ngibingelele. Ibibaleke kakhulu ukuhlangana kanje silungise lento yamaciko sithola inkinga zawo. Si-MK njoba sikhona nje sifisa ukulungisa la okungahambi kahle khona, and mawubuka abantu abaningi abakulo mkhakha wamaciko abantu bebala lethu elimnyama ngesikhathi bekhuluma ububabona beveza ukuphoxeka nokuphatheka kabi indlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo. Kuyasiza ke thina siwumkhonto wesizwe ukuthi njengoba silungiselela nje ukuthi siyophatha singene sazi ukuthi iziphi inkinga abantu ababhekane nazo, yini efuna ukuyilungisa, kungabe siyicabange nje emoyeni kodwa kube siyitshelwe yibona abantu uqobo.
Kuba kunento eyithintile ngithema ngihleli phansi akekho beyithinta le nto yokuthi ukhumbuze amaciko kodwa mhlawumbe awayikhumbulanga kodwa asekhaza ikhumbula. Uthe umsholozi uthi kune-structure noma kunomholi ozoqhamuka kubelaphi bendabuko, kunomholi ongaqhamuka kumaciko ozomela amaciko o-understanda ulimi lamaciko. Ukugcizelela lokho ungathini uqinisekisa ngempela ukuthi kahle siyamdinga umuntu oqonda lento esikhala ngayo esingamaciko. Mokhuluma ngabamasonto nabo bazimele bebe nomuntu abazomkhomba ukuthi masikhuluma ngamakhosi nabo banomuntu wabo bathi sikuthumile ukuthi hambo sikhulumela lolu limi eParliament. Uqinisekisa amaciko ukuthi awangene kwipolitiki because abantu abaningi babuka singathini isystem yethu isiphucile leli lungelo lokwazi ukuthi ipolitiki iyimpilo yethu. Ngamanye amazwi ukuba yiartist kuza ngemumva kunempilo yethu usingamazi ungena kwipolitiki khona esikudingayo ngoba ipolitiki iphethe thina.
Yebo. Ngifisa nje ukuqinisekisa ngikuphinde namanje ukuthi la emkhontweni masikhuluma ngeyokuphatha sizama ukugcizelela uzoyibona nje ukuthi sikhuluma ngokubaluleka kwamakhosi nakhona izinhlakeni zomkhonto njengoba kuthiwa umkhonto nje siyayikhuluma indaba yokuthi kuzofanele zonke izinhlaka ezibalulekile zabantu zimeleleke kungabe ukuthi abantu bazofika ngobuningi babo kube khona abavaleleka ngaphandle ababaluleke ngayo kakhulu ke laba bamaciko nje okunye sengingakuveza la ukuthi khona lento yokuthi ngesilungu kuthiwa i-self employment bayiqashe bona ukubakho ukwanda kwabantu abayiqashile kusho ukuncipha kwabantu abazobalwa njengabantu abangaqashiwe so babaluleke kakhulu ke laba mangabe sithi sizokwandisa izinga labantu abasebenzayo nabo bazokwazi ukuthi ukusebenza ke sekuthatha njengokuthi umuntu akwazi ukubeka ukuzoxosha ikati ezike ekhaya abeke isinkwe etafuleni so ukuhlangana kwethu nabo nakho kwenza sibheke sekuyiyo amanye amaqhinga ethu ukuthi lolu daba lokuthiwa abantu abasebenzi silibheka kanjani nangaphandle kokuthi bakhe basebenze ukuthi kube yibona abazosebenza baphinde bavula amathuba omsebenzi amaciko nje abaluleke kakhulu khona lapho
2/3 majority 29 May ugcizelela ucela ababukeli bekwenza kwenzeke nabathandi nje ke bomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi angalenze iphutha umuntu akhohle usuku umhla ka29 ukuthi awuvota because umsholozi into ayifunayo i2/3 majority ukuthi sikhulume nayo yonke lento esifunayo
ayikho phela edlula leyo ngifisa nje mina ukuthi siqala ngomsombuluko umhla ka27 sonke asiqikekele ukuthi siyavota ihlobo zethu abangani imndeni yethu bonke abantu abesebelahlekelwe ithemba sithi nawo umkhonto uzobuyisa ithemba so uzobuyisa nesithunzi somuntu omnyama kakhulu okuyisona esifile esesibulewe kakhulu siyacela nje ukuthi abantu ngisho ngabe umkhonto wesizwe okungelona iqembu lakho kodwa uma umnyama nje uvotele ngoba inkinga yethu yokuqala ofanele sibhekane nayo ukuthi sithole u2/3 majority bese sishintsha lo mthetho sisekelo lo ojatshulelwa njengomuhle emhlabeni wonke kodwa abantu abale South Africa abamnyama kakhulu izinga labo lokuhlupheka liya ngokuya liqhubeka liya phambili
sithobeke kakhulu ukuxoxa nawe kwikwenza kwenzeke podcast siyabonga kakhulu nobuholi nomsebenzi wenu enwenzayo siyasithandalali kulezi insuku nisebenzela abantu bakithi i2/3 majority viva mkhonto
viva phambili no2/3 majority asiphume sonke siyoyikhulula ngevoti ngesiphambana ikhimpi kulokho
siyathokoza kakhulu wena Sile siyabonga siyathokoza njengoba samukela kuba uNcobo akekho ngamazi mapholobo gijima enkundleni zonke zokuxhumana akakhathali pholoba uyafila baba ikwenze kwenzeke ke le i-podcast iphusha kakhulu ke ingaphansi komkhonto wesizwe noma sathatha isinqumo sathi ke si-podcast sizimele 2 years ingane yazalwa saphusha thema uqhamuka umkhonto sathi no umengameli ukukhuluma ngokushintsha i-constitution esibona ukuthi icindezela abantu abamnyama mfowethu ke namhlanje behlangana amaciko ezokhuluma abhekelele ukuthi umkhonto engawulekela kanjani nomkhonto ungalekela kanjani amaciko ake sikhulume ke sibheke ukuthi namhlanje usuku libone lihambe kanjani namhlanje
ya usuku namhlanje lihambe kahle kahle angisho ukuthi ukuba nale broadcast eneqalile kusho ukuthi future of this country izoba bright because all this white monopoly media stream should be banned after MK is taking over. Uyacabanga ukuthi sesibe nama kade sine march lapha na eThekwini bonke abantu bayakhavwa ngokwama election events but MK up until now siyokhethweni asikwazi ukuthi senze njani sikhavwe mawubuka umcimbi wanamhlanje ubusezingeni elikhulu because uma ubuka iSABC le kuyiyona engakwazi ukucover lo mcimbi esikuwo namhlanje is the same artist okuyiwona performayo futhi kuwo lama stream medias uyabo lawa eStellenbosch so we are saying ke thina njenge MK uma sithatha ukhetho we want to start our media as a South Africa angeze kuba colonized kube stream media ezokwazi ukuthi iaddress ubuphofu babantu abamnyama because asikwazi ukuba nemidi engakwazi ukuxoxa ngathi mayiza kithi kufanele isitshene ukuthi senzani ngonyaka othize nangonyaka othize ayikho into enhle up until today iMK is not covered ngendlela esifuna ngayo uma kukhishwa amaqembu akhankasayo thina sizokhishwa njalo ngokhumalo ihlongandlebe inkantolo thina sikhishwa kanjalo nje kufanele balethe a bad stigma in the organization uma ngabe kuyithi efanele sikhulume kwimedia. So now I'm saying we are very happy with today, and amaciko wonke abone nekhaya njengalo wonke abantu base South Africa abone nekhaya kwiMK aphumile enhluphekweni yakwa arts and culture where sekunabantu vele asebeyidominateile i-department abangasaphumi khona kwi-department sekuwukuthi nje bona mangabe kukhona i-event cishe abasasho nokusho sebeyazi ukuthi bona bayoperform. What about the growing? What about the development of the artists on the ground? But we have to develop these young people, because if we don't develop them, they go to substance abuse. And we are complaining. We are complaining. We are not contributing correct to the community of South Africa.
Ngane kwethu sesigoqa manje ngifuna sibheke i2/3 majority before sikuyona ake ngibheke ama artists amaningi awa ngathini kuthiwa khona ama artists asayifihlile abheke ukuthi kuya abantu bayanga but there are crowd pullers ngiyamazi unabantu abanabalandeli abaningi kodwa njengamanje abahlezi lapha abahlezi khona ngoba bedla begculisekile lokho abakudlayo ukubonga ama artists athe aphumela obala ukubonga ama podcast athe aphumela obala athi we are supporting umkhonto wesizwe because uphethe mandate yethu uthini uphawula kwakho kulabo bantu abangasuka amagwala ukufa bangakusabi ngoba kuyiqiniso lokho ukuthi if uzo support umkhonto wesizwe ubugwala kumele bese eceleni.
Yeah, no, mina what I can say today ukuthi lama artists athathe stand sokuthi ajoin umkhonto wesizwe iwona azobe ama crowd puller in the future. Laba ba ama crowd puller now bayobe beqala phansi ngoba we are saying awukwazi ngeke ukuze ube i-crowd puller uyenziwa wenziwe yini ama department kube yiwona akudayisayo wenziwe ile media stream esikhuluma ngayo ekufanele isupport ukhongolose noma kungasafanele. So thina we are saying laba balwe abawe nathi bevuka we are going to make sure ukuthi impilo yabo iba ngcono and asimdinga umuntu ozothi uyisubmarine uhamba phansi abese zovuka emva kokhe cha siwafuna ama submarine sifuna umuntu avele manje ingakho kade sithatha i-attendance register ngoba sifuna ukwazi ukuthi obani abantu abavela kuqala bathi they support umkhonto and labo bantu we will stick to them, we will stand with them and we will progress with them.
Asibonga kakhulu phela obasela ukuxhumana njalo akulalwa namanje ngiyazi akiwe kuyolalwa kwasetshenzwa until 27 28 29 asibonga kakhulu Viva mkhonto sezwe Viva thatha mkhonto thatha siyathokoza wena wesizwe siyabonga
kwenzeke